So we're heading into the finishing touches, and this is going to be the bathroom door. It's going to go on a barn track. Look over the instructions. I already noticed something that's kind of funny. To the bottom of the rail, you measure the door plus 1 17/32. Now, that means we're down to 30 seconds. That's pretty good. Basically, it's 1 and a smidge over a ½ inch. So I'm gonna go figure that stuff out, get a level out, mark my lines, and go from there. I have to hang the rollers backwards because this cleat is in my way. See that cleat, Holmes?
Yep.
Homer's my excellent cameraman today.
Hello.
Maybe you should interview the Empress.
I don't get it.
That's what he calls me. Grandma.
Grandma is the Empress. Okay, Holmes, we're gonna cut these bolts off. They're too long and they have a cap nut. See the cap nut?
Yeah.
So we have to cut these down shorter. Hopefully once I do that, I'll be able to thread them on. All right, let me try to cut this. Well, I got a mark on it. Hopefully not knock all the paint off the bolts. I'm gonna reset. The nice thing about these DeWalt Sawzalls, they have 4 different positions you can put the blade in. And if I back this right down onto the anvil, it should work pretty good. Bingo! We got rid of that. Let's see if we can get the nut started.
Hopefully
It might be a
can.
pain without a starting tread, but nope, we got it. Okay.
All right.
So we're heroes.
We saved the city.
Well, we saved the city and we're saving this door. And Grandma will think we're heroes. You never want to undersell yourself. You might as well make a big deal out of it when something goes right, because it doesn't go right all the time. So, ooh, a little bit on the short side there, Holmes.
Yep.
But there's enough. There's enough. It's a whole nut width, so. Okay, let's tighten that up.
We gotta make sure it's really tightened up.
We got it nice and tight, yes. Now this bolt is just a hair long, but you know what? I'm not too worried about it. It'll be a tight bolt, and it just has to support this door. It's not going to be a big deal inside there. See, it doesn't clamp down tight, but the nut is tight because it's a cap nut. It looks prettier. It's an acorn nut is what you call that.
Got it.
Okay, so now we got to do this side. Now, what I don't like is that I've marred this paint up quite a bit with the stupid vice grip, but I couldn't find my socket for that. But you know what, if I have to, I'll take a little Sharpie marker, just touch up the spots. I think it'll be fine. All right, we're good.
All right.
Cut. All right, I drilled my first hole for this. It's going right into the header, which is good.
Okay. So when it's finished, the door is gonna be able to slide.
Yes, it will hang on track up there, and then we'll be able to slide it to the side. That's our plan. The spacer has to go on here. Oh, I got a terrible cough. I'll stick that through here, like that. And this guy goes up here, like this. Impact driver. Okay, just a little snug. Now we're gonna have to level this. That's gonna be our next little step. I have this bolt tight enough so it's holding this in place for me. Once I level it, then I just gotta drill another hole over here and put another bolt in, and this will be level. And then I just gotta level over to the next section. Aha, I knew it. Just a hair high on the one side. And right there, it is perfecto. And I'm sighting right through the spot. I'm gonna come in straight. I'm straight both ways, so we're gonna drill it. And I put a piece of tape on my drill bit, so we know just how deep to go. Excellent, now I can just stick in the other bolt. We should be in good shape, Holmes. Need a bolt, a washer, and a spacer.
Do you know what the bolt is, what the washer is, and what the spacer is?
Spacer, what's that?
Bolt, and then that's the washer.
That's the washer, okay. Let's see, are we still level?
Hopefully.
Nope, a little high on that end. See if I can just give it a minor adjustment. Yep.
That seemed easy.
I think that probably did it. Yep, just about perfect. Okay, good. Now, let's see. I'm gonna need my drill bit, or my drill. So Holmes, I'm gonna drill this one out first for this bolt. And that's running right into a stud, which is awesome. washer, bolt, and spacer. My cameraman took off on me. Grandma found a snake skin. He's just dying to see it. There he is. Plus he gets to drive the golf cart. Okay, we'll start filming.
I already did.
You already did? All right, well I got this stuck here and I'm hoping it's left. Now this kit came from Amazon and it was like 30 bucks. I could not believe how cheap it is. And every one of these is hitting good solid lumber back there. So we're gonna be in great shape. It's gonna be really strong. It's not just hanging it in drywall, which they tell you to do with these screws, which I think is crazy, but comme ci, comme ça.
I do not know what that means.
It's French Homer for comme ci, comme ça.
That's just the same thing.
Whatever.
English.
You're such a stickler. Oh, guess what? This is the exciting part.
What?
We hang the door and see if it rolls.
Woohoo!
Let's see if we're heroes or losers.
Hopefully heroes.
I like being a hero. It's much better.
Wow.
Alright.
Oh, I think we're heroes. Well, that rolls nice though. It's like effortless. And it hits down there before it hits up there.
Woo-hoo!
How's it look, hon? Is it okay?
It looks amazing, and once I get those panels painted and stenciled,
If I go all the way, it opens the door though. So we kind of need some kind of stopper
you need a
there.
stopper.
This was another 10 bucks on Amazon. Yeah.
That really looks good.
Like that. And I'll put that there. Okay, no change in your mind, right?
Yep.
So we kind of got an idea where we want it, right? Because that's where it stops.
You think you're done
And
with this?
we got to check and make, are you rolling?
Yeah.
And make sure it works in both directions and it don't work there. Oh, you know what I got to do, hon? Put the other stopper here.
Yeah.
Now the only glitchy thing about this nifty little roller gizmo is the wheel's in the way. With me putting the screws in. You see that?
Yeah.
It's ridiculous. There. Which looks to me like it's going to be a little bit of a pain in the neck. Oh, no, it's not too bad. Writing that down tight like that. Okay, and then they gave us these cute little wrenches. Look at how cute these wrenches are, Holmes. Wrong size. They gave you two. So this guy, actually, I don't think we're going to put these in yet. We just got to have them so they'll move around a little bit. I'm going to move this out of the way like this. And then try to get the... I should have put a little mark there, but I'm pretty sure that's okay where it is right there. Okay, I was able to set this here and leave those nuts down there, and now I got those out of the way so I can put the screws in. Excellent.
Alright.
Now I'm going to put this down in here. I got to get that nut, and I'm on it. Now we got to figure out where we want this to live, and that looks pretty good. And then we got to put this one in too, and now I just snug that down tight. With our cute little wrenches. The roller's still rolling. Just what we want. I'm going to snug this one down tight. Nice, and the roller's still rolling, so we're in good shape. I didn't realize it, but they gave us stoppers in the package. They clamp right on the track. Yeah, I should have had them on the track already. There's no way to put them on now. I had to pull the rail down to do it, but that's okay. So now I can just adjust them right. I'm going to leave this one here too, just because it's a little cheap insurance. Now, we got to do the one on this side too, which is going to be easier, but I only have to pull one bolt out. Right up here is this bolt. Got to yank it out. No sweat. Okay. Now, I got to put the stopper on. And I know it's got to be between these two bolts, so that's good enough for now. Roll this bolt back in. There we go. Okay, well, we got this thing done. That rolls closed. And it rolls open. Pretty happy with it. She loves the patina of it. She's going to paint this a wall color, which is going to be a pain in the neck now that it's in there. But she's going to paint that wall color and then stencil it. I think it'll look great. And on this side, come on in, Holmes. I'm going to have to do something about a handle. It closes, opens.
Alright.
Awesome. So that's a wrap on this project. Like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Goodbye.